Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm at the Detroit River again, and I'm at Elizabeth Park, and right now it's snowing. If you guys can see that, like in camera, it's like not that bad, but it is bad because you guys can see this. Hey, it's snowing, so yeah. I'm gonna try to see if I can catch a walleye because it's the second week of March, and yeah, we'll see what happens.
Alright guys, I got uh looks like a 3/4, 3/4 jig, and got Pimp Daddy on, tied with stinger hook. So this is what I'm using today, and let's see what's gonna happen. There's nobody here because it's snowing. It's supposed to be oh gosh, it's supposed to be yeah. Where are we coming? I just got snagged already. Just hate that. Come on. Let's see when I get snagged already. Here's not the right. It's snowing pretty hard right now. Alright. Okay, let's see here. It's snowing pretty hard. It's still early, and still early for walleye. Oh man, I knew it. What? I'm not gonna use like a very big man. Tied back on again. starting to get windy. Snow stopped. Uh-oh. I'm gonna throw some crankbaits. Again, I know. I'm just gonna try this. But there's nothing happening. Looks like spring already, because the birds are chirping, ducks are here. Seagulls here. But maybe the walleyes are still at Lake Erie. They haven't come up yet.
Alright guys, I've been fishing here for 2 hours straight and did not catch anything. Yeah, I went spots to spots and I was like all the way over there, and now I'm here. Yeah, I'm over here now, like almost like near the bridge, but not quite yet. But yeah, been here for 2 hours and didn't catch anything. I switched mini baits. I switched it to a grub and a jig, 3/8 jig, and then switched back to a 3/4 jig with the minnow, plastic minnow on, and did not catch anything. And I got a couple snags and got it through. Lost 2 jigs, and I just throw a crankbait and did not catch anything now. So now just gonna head home because it's too cold. There's no fish biting. The current's too fast and it's too windy. So right now I'm just on cover, so there's no like wind like blowing on